Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set maximum length limit for phone field using custom code in WooCommerce checkout page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now you see phone field. So we are going to set maximum length. Now go to dashboard, scroll down, on left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to add custom code using plugin. Then inside plugin write WP code. Now you see WP code insert header and footer plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see maximum length 10, so you can add number according to your requirement. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now scroll down. Now you see phone field. So add more number. Now you see our maximum limit is 10. So we cannot add more number because we set limit to 10 in phone field. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.